Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything I post. Today's video is chocolate covered pretzels. This is the first time I've done it. I'm taking you on the trip with me as I make them. I did some in the light chocolate and some in white, and the grandbaby helped me. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I've got a couple of glass bowls so that I can use the microwave. I have some chocolate discs. I have some white candy melts. And I got two of these, not exactly sure how many of this I need. I've got the penny stick mini pretzels. These are the ones that I get at the dollar store. I have an assortment of sugars and sprinkles and toppings. I got that at Walmart. I have a couple of forks, one for the chocolate and one for the white. I have a cookie sheet with wax paper on it for the pretzels to dry. I'm going to put all of the candy melts in their respective bowls, and I'm going to start with the chocolate ones first, and I'm going to do this at 30-second intervals, and I'm going to stir it with a fork in between every 30 seconds until I get this melted. Okay, I've got the chocolate discs in a glass bowl in the microwave, and I'm going to set this for 30 seconds. Okay, that's the first 30 seconds, and they're looking wet but not melted yet. I mean, you can see that they're melted on the side, but I'm going to stir them up and keep doing them for 30 seconds at a time until they melt down. I think this was about a total of 2 minutes. I'm not sure if it was a minute and a half or 2 minutes, kind of lost track, but you can see it's nice and melted. Okay, I'm going to set this aside and go work on the white. Okay, that's a total of 2 minutes, and hopefully the hot bowl is going to keep this liquid. If not, I'll do it in 10-second intervals if it starts to harden up. I'm going to go do the chocolate pretzels. Okay, since this is my first time, I'm letting you go along the little trip with me. I'm just going to put that in, get it covered, lift it up, and tap it. Yeah, lay it on the wax paper. And I'm going to continue this with as many as the cookie sheet will hold. Okay, most of these have dried already. You can see how shiny the ones that aren't dried are. And to move them around if they got too close, I used a toothpick. And if they're sticking real good, you just lift underneath the wax paper and it pops loose. Okay, I'm going to let the rest of these dry, and then we're going to drizzle it with the white chocolate, and I'm going to put white chocolate on some more of the pretzels. Well, I've got all the white ones done, and I have a very special little friend. Hello, sweetheart. Are you going to help me decorate them?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're a good kiddo. Let's put that one on, and what I want you to do is just give it a good shake. And shake all over. Don't get your arm in there. Oh, no, too much. Too much. We just do like this, okay? You do that. Okay? That's the way. Very good. Look at you go. Thank you, sweetheart. Wow, what a good job you're doing.
Wrinkles?
Not yet. Okay, I'm going to try and put the white on it. Oh, look at that. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. What do you think, Connor?
Yummy.
I will. I'll have to put more on the fork, okay? Ready? Steady, go! Look at that. And now they're going to be wet, and the new sprinkles that are going to go on are going to be able to stick to it.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
My goodness gracious. I'm so proud of you for all your help. Okay, would you like to try and put the white on?
Yeah.
All right. All right, there's the fork. Very good, honey. Very, very good. Do you need more chocolate on the fork? I think so. Oh! Okay, here's some more.
Put down for a minute.
Here, take the fork. Put more on. Wow, what a great job you're doing. Okay, all we need now is some sprinkles. Give it a good shake.
Okay, since I get these off, there's a bunch of extra sprinkles on there.
Daddy has more sprinkles. Okay, that's enough. Thank you, sweetheart, for all your help. Okay, I've got these all done, and I didn't make very many white, but I did make quite a bit of chocolate, and as you saw, the baby had a ball helping me with these, and he actually wants to eat some, and I've already told him no, because I don't want him getting sick. But I had a ball doing this with him, and I think next time we're going to try and make chocolate bowls, because I think he's going to love it. I do know that if you put plastic wrap on these, they'll keep for about a week, and I can always reheat them in the microwave. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.